this video to the end and knowing all the ingredients put together to form this powerful hair mask, I'll call it a deep conditioner, you will know that it really works. And the results is going to show on my hair after just one use will blow your mind. So make sure you are watching to the end. Do not skip any part of it because I'm going to show you the best way to put these ingredients together and also the best way to use it to achieve better results. And hey guys, all I'm asking from showing you this is to pause the video right now and give this video a thumbs up before you even continue to watch, and also leave me a comment in the comment section. This will really mean a lot to me, so make sure you are giving this video a thumbs up right now. All right, without further ado, let's get into the ingredient. If you're one of my returning subscribers, you will know that I love everything about cloves. I use it a lot in most of my DIYs and it helps me grow my hair. And this is why I do love cloves. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. It helps to protect your scalp from dandruff. If you have dry, itchy scalp, then cloves is your go-to natural ingredient. And also it can also help thicken your hair because it contains anti-inflammatory agents. So if you are not using cloves, girl, you are missing out on something good. So I'm going to start by grinding my cloves and I'm going to go the local way, but you can use any means that you have. You can use your blender. My blender is too big and it cannot blend this clove. That is why I use the local way. So just make sure you grind it into a powder form, or if you have the powder cloves, you can use it. The next ingredient I'm going to use is the olive oil. Olive oil is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants. It nourishes and conditions your hair. It soothes the scalp. It can prevent dandruff. It can prevent hair damages as well as hair breakages. And usually all my ingredients that I put together to form my DIYs have similar properties. So when they are put together, they are really safe to use for the hair. I just added the olive oil to my cloves and give it a stir. There is no measurement to this. You just add it till it covers all the cloves. The next ingredient I'm going to use is the coconut oil. Coconut oil is really good for our natural hair. It can also help prevent dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and also help moisturize your hair. I added about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil into my mixture, then give it a good stir. So this is what we are having now. And guys, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like this to help with your hair growth, you will be notified. So the next thing I'm going to do is to put the whole mixture into a pot of boiling water and leave it for about 10 minutes. The next thing that I'm going to add is the Moringa powder. Moringa is one of my favorite herbs that I have included in my natural hair care regimen because of how it intensely nourishes my hair. Moringa is loaded with nutrients such as vitamin A, B, C, and E. It also has iron, zinc, and essential amino acids. And all these vitamins are great for our hair growth. I'm going to take about 2 spoons of this powder. There is no measurements to this recipe. Depending on how thick or how full or the quantity that you are making, you can just eyeball it and use it. Too much or too less will not harm you in any way because guess what? Everything put together is all natural. And this is our clove oil and we can get this out. Guys, I have a video on how to make the best clove oil for your hair growth. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so make sure to check it out. I'm going to put it aside till it cools down, then we're going to strain the oil. You can use anything with little holes to strain the oil. And this is what we are having now. You know it has been infused when there is color change to the oil. This oil will do wonders to your hair. Just this oil by itself, guys. So I'm making sure to get all the oil out. And guess what I'm going to use the oil to do? Do not skip any part of this video because if you do, you will not get all the tea to the tea. Because guess what? I'm going to spill all the tea. So make sure you are watching to the end. And this is our Moringa powder. And we are going to add our clove oil to the Moringa powder and give it a stir. Guys, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love for putting this recipe together to help you grow your hair by just giving this video a thumbs up and leave me some lovely comments. I would love to hear from you. Have you used Moringa in any way, whether in your smoothie, on your hair? Anyway, I would just love to know. Just share your experience with us so we can also learn. At this point, I'm going to add my conditioner to this recipe. Guys, you can use any conditioner of your choice. You do not have to use this very one, but your regular conditioner that you use for your hair, just add it to this recipe, because the main ingredient is the natural ingredients that you are putting together. And usually after every max or every hair max treatment, you are going to deep condition it. So putting the two together will make the process very much easier and also helps you to gain all the nutrients that you need from this recipe. So go ahead and use your own conditioner, but I use the Cream of Nature conditioner because of its properties. It is sulfate free, it is paraben free, and I love it on my hair. So after that, I added some water to it. Yes, you need some water. You do not need so much water, you just need a paste consistency, and that is it. I'm going to add some lavender oil to this recipe. Aside this fragrance that I love, it also helps strengthen the hair. You do not need much, just a few drops will do. And you do not even need to add it if you do not have it. I only add it because of its fragrance. And also I'm going in with my honey. Guys, if you do not know anything about honey, honey is a very good ingredient for our hair growth. Honey is an incredible hair conditioner that can smoothen your hair. It is a natural antioxidant, so it tends to make your scalp healthy and stimulates hair growth. It is also rich in vitamins and minerals, so using it in your hair care routine can leave your hair looking shinier, feeling softer, and then overall improve the health condition of your hair. It also acts as a humectant, and what that means is it has the tendency to keep the loss of dampness from your scalp. So it kind of attracts moisture from the atmosphere. And what this does is it always keeps your scalp moisturized, prevents dry scalp, and also prevents dandruff. So if you haven't been incorporating honey in your hair care regimen, girl, you are missing out on something good. So I added it and gave it a good stir. Now our recipe is ready to use. But before that, I'm going to show you the best way to prep your hair before using this hair mask. This is my hair. It just came out of a protective hairstyle and it needs some TLC. So I'm going to show it some love. And this is apple cider vinegar. I'm going to show you in a little bit what I'm going to use this apple cider vinegar for. And guys, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, show your girl some love and give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you get notification for all my future DIYs to help with your hair growth. So I started by washing my hair, give it a good wash. And guys, this is what I use the apple cider vinegar for. I'm going to do my apple cider vinegar rinse. I measured about a tablespoon of it and topped it with water. This is why I love apple cider vinegar rinse. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of apple cider vinegar help to keep the pH level of the scalp balanced. And for that reason, it promotes a healthy scalp. It can prevent dandruff. It can add some shine to your hair. It can help reduce hair loss as well as strengthens the strands of your hair. So before you put any good stuff like this hair mask recipe that I just show you on your hair, make sure you are prepping the hair very well, making sure it's really clean before you go in with this hair mask. After the apple cider vinegar rinse, I went in with plain water to rinse it out before drying my hair. And it's now time to apply the hair mask. And guys, if you're still watching this video to this point, please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. So each time I upload videos like these, you will be notified. And hey guys, I want to hear from you in the comments section, because leave me a comment makes me know that I'm doing something good. And it motivates me to provide more DIYs that can help you to grow your hair much faster and healthier. So leave me some comments in the section below. And make sure to share this video with your friends, your family. If you are in any group like WhatsApp group, Facebook group, share this video because people need to learn how to grow their hair. Don't keep this to yourself, because I'm not greedy. I'm spilling all the tea to the tea. So if you have found me, share it with your friends, okay? So I'm going to show you the best way to apply this mask. So I started by putting my hair into section and apply the mask to the root, to the hair strand. I massage it into it. And guys, just look at it. Just look at how it has moisturized my hair. I haven't even rinsed it out. And if you watch closely, you even see my curls are popping. So with just one application, you will even notice this hair mask is going to help with your hair growth, because just applying it to your hair, you will see some softness. How I don't even know how to explain it, guys. I'm just short of words. Just give this a try. This is a must try, because just applying it just one time, you will just feel some difference in your hair. Give it a try and let me know your feedback on this. And make sure you are getting it to all the problematic places in your hair. If you have some bald spot, if you have some thinning, if you have any breakages, just massage it there, massage it into your scalp, and also put it back into a twist to return all the moisture in it. So as I previously mentioned, the moringa contains so many important vitamins that is really essential for our hair growth. It has vitamins A, B, C, and E. It has iron, zinc, and also essential amino acids. And you know why these vitamins are really good for our hair? For example, vitamin A plays a very vital role in the development of healthy cells and tissues in the body and in reducing hair loss. Vitamin A deficiency causes dry scalp, dandruffs, and even itchy scalp. Because it contains in moringa, it helps to prevent all these. Also, vitamin B aids in creating red blood cells, which carry oxygen and nutrients to the scalp and hair follicles. So, moringa containing vitamin A and B, you will know that it is great for our hair growth. We all know how iron is very important to our overall health. Iron boosts oxygen circulation in the blood and all the way to your scalp. So iron deficiency has been associated with hair loss. When your scalp has sufficient supply of oxygen, your hair follicles grow better. And moringa contains so much iron, so this will help you grow your hair. Moringa also contains zinc, which stimulates hair growth. Zinc is a very important contributor to healthy hair follicles, which are the roots of every single hair on our head. Zinc improves hair growth by supporting damaged hair follicles to recover more quickly. It helps keep the oil glands around the follicles working properly. And moringa has all these good vitamins, and we need to use it in our hair care routine. And guys, this is it. I applied everything on my hair. As you can see, the bowl is empty. And look at how my hair is looking. It looks like I've added some chemicals or a hair relaxer. It looks like, guys, I can't even explain it. You got to try this recipe. Just look at how soft, how moisturized my hair is. This is just one-time use. Nobody needs to tell you this whole mask is going to work. Just look at my hair. And guys, please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. At this point, I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic cap. You can use a plastic bag or anything that you have just to keep in the heat and also the moisture. And I'm going to leave it for about 30 minutes to an hour. I ended up leaving it for an hour because I was busy. So this is it right now. And look at my hair, guys. Just look at it. Nobody needs to tell you this mask really works wonders. You must give it a try and come back under this video and give me your honest review. And if you have tried this mask, or if you have used moringa in any way, or any of the ingredients in this recipe in any way for hair growth, please let me know in the comment section. We would love to know your personal experience with it. And the good thing is you can even incorporate moringa powder into your smoothies. So guys, if you have used this in your smoothie before, let me know in the comment section, because I would love to know. Guys, just look at how my curls are even popping. You need to give this a try, because I cannot even explain it with words. You will have to try it and know how it really feels on the hair. So at this point, I'm going to rinse it out. And this is something I have to tell you. It is hard to rinse out. It would take like 3 times the usual time that you will rinse out your deep conditioner. So take your time and use some lukewarm water to rinse it out and get it out from your hair. And if you have little residue in your hair, it is okay, because you can even use this moringa as a leave-in conditioner. But I'm going to show you the recipe for that later in a later video. But this is my hair. Look at it. Really soft, well moisturized. Look at the shine. There is no product in my hair right now, no product, but just look at the shine. And this is how much hair that I lost. If you are treating your hair with this hair mask at least once a week or once every 2 weeks, you're definitely going to prevent hair loss, hair breakages, hair thinning. Your hair is going to be thicker and fuller, and you're going to thank me later. So at this point, I'm just going to moisturize my hair the usual routine. I went with my leave-in conditioner. And guess what I'm going in right now? I'm using my ginger and clove oil. And I have the recipe to this oil, guys. You need this oil in your life. I'm going to leave the link to the recipe of this great oil in the description box. So make sure to check it out. And now I'm going in with my cloves and hibiscus flower butter. Guys, this butter is everything. You need to give it a try. I'm going to leave the link also in the description box. Guys, I have a whole lot of DIYs that can help you with your thinning hair, your lost edges, that can help you grow your hair faster, and also help you grow thicker hair. So make sure to check in all my videos. At this point, I'm going in with a very simple protective hairstyle to lock in the moisture. And guys, if you've been following me on this channel, you will know that I've really increased in the thickness and length of my hair through all my DIYs. If you are new here, I used to have permed or relaxed hair, and chemicals damaged my hair, so I had to do the big chop and start all over again. And all these DIYs have helped me grow my hair really faster and thicker. So make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified. Thank you so much for stopping by today to watch this video. But before you leave, hey, make sure you click on the video you see on your screen right now and watch it. Bye.